Hello, I am Squirrel Boy 93, as you know, and yes, this is my YouTube account. I am 93 years old, as indicated in my Squirrel Boy 93 YouTube account. I live in North America, also known as USA, and I am here to rid the world of evil by showing how to eat Milk's favorite cookie, Oreo. I show you now how to do it. This is my doggy. Go back. So first, you have to get reduced fat milk. Pour it in to a large glass, as so. Once you got the desired amount of milk, you must pry open the can of Oreo Milk's favorite cookie. Then you break apart this. You have to get set up the cream. And one side not cream. And then you must lick. And